Guys, check this one out. Si Ugreen na Clipbuds Magic. Ang ganda ng kanyang case. You can do all of your favorite things dito sa kanya. Like, checking all of the stats dito. Checking your ANC. Pwede ka mag-control ng yung music. Pwede ka look for your buds kung nawawala. And you can do a lot of things dito. Pati mag-like sa yung TikTok video. Pwede. And even use as a camera shutter button. Now, the highlight dito is itong buds niya. There are people na hindi malihilig sa mga in-ear type na TWS. Now, this is one alternative which is definitely going to be good kasi hindi siya nakasuksok sa loob ng iyong tenga. Ang ganito mag-iitsura niya, mukhang naka-earrings ka lang, and definitely it sounds good. I've tried it while walking, and the good thing dito sa kanya is naririnig mo pa rin ang surroundings mo. People talking with you, naririnig mo pa. So you're still actively aware sa iyong surroundings, even though that you're enjoying your favorite music or playing your favorite games or just simply watching your favorite Korean drama. Now, one thing na sobrang gusto ko rin dito is that meron siyang 12mm na dynamic driver, giving you a more immersive sound na ma-enjoy mo talaga dito sa buds na ito, no? And this has a memory na ear clip to give you that maximum comfort din, no? So if you're out there looking for something na hindi in-ear type na TWS, I think this is a good alternative. You can try this one out, si Ugreen na Clipbuds Magic, and I'll post the link on the description or just simply click yung yellow basket ko. So I'll see you around.